Good day, everybody. Welcome to No Risk, No Farm. My name is Leo Risk, and today we have a special day. It will be a dirty one. We have this barn. We turned it into a Raken house last year, which is a rabbit and chicken house. It works pretty well. It's not quite finished yet. We are still working on some details, and today I have to clean up to be able to continue some work. I invite you to come along and see how we're doing and or what we're doing, and yeah, I'll show you some details inside. Yeah, let me show you what we did so far in the Raken house. We have 3 different sections here. 2 of them are finished already. We have the old chickens in one section, and then the younger ones from the last year. And the idea is to have the rabbits in front of the chicken cages, so that the manure can be pushed into the chicken cages, and the chickens, they scratch through it and create pretty good garden fertilizer. I will follow up on how we did the cages and how this all was built in a separate video, but today we need to prepare the 3rd section, which is there, and clean out the manure, because there is no chickens in there yet. So it's basically untouched rabbit manure, which will be put in the garden. But before we do that, I would like to show you something. Look at those cuties. The last litter was 3 of the rabbits here. We breed the Flemish giants, and this was a very small litter of 3, but I'm happy with that because they're quick. There we go. Oh, come on. Shh. They're pretty quick, because it was winter time when they came. It was like really cold, and I was happy that they all survived. Their mom, she took pretty good care of them, and now they're about 3 weeks old, or maybe 4. I have to check my records, and they're doing pretty good. Yeah, this is the entrance to the future 3rd section of the chickens. As you can see here, we don't have the wire up yet, and if we would put the chickens in here right now, they will just fly off and go all over the place. And in order to avoid that, we would like to have some wire dividers here. And in order to do that, we will clean out this section first. This rabbit poop is like real gold for the garden. It is not hot manure, so you can actually use it and apply it directly by the plant, and it's not too strong in comparison to chicken manure. It's very hot, and it will actually burn the plant. So, and that's why we like this manure as fertilizer for our garden. A couple days ago, it was frozen inside here, so I couldn't do it. So it piled up a little bit, but now it's actually really workable and can be done pretty well. Pretty easy. This is the first load of garden gold. We will bring it now to the garden and just spread it out a little bit. And in the springtime we will till it in and then start the garden. So you can see we started here already and spread out a couple loads from before, and I will just continue to do that, and I think till the spring arrives we will have the garden covered. This is basically the area along those barns here, starting from this end and going all the way till there and then till this little shed here. So that's what we use as a garden. This will help our garden to grow really nice. I will till it in the spring and enjoy what is coming out from the garden. And we do another thing actually when we use our fireplace and clean it. We have some ash, and then we bring it also to the garden and spread it out. I have actually a bucket of ash here from today, in the morning, and so that helps as well to improve the soil and improve the garden overall. Yeah, in total we got 2 loads this time. We cleaned up the manure from the rabbit area there, from the third section, and that's pretty decent amount here, and that should be good for today on this topic. So the last thing I have to do today is to clean up the hallway, and then we are almost done with what I have on my list for today. And I do it usually once a week. Yeah, the setup helps with having the hallway a little bit cleaner. Imagine we would have all the rabbit manure here in the hallway. That would be a even bigger mess. Yeah. It helps that the barn has a concrete floor, so that we can basically just use a broom and clean it quickly. Usually what I do is just to give the chickens a little bit more. I add it to the chicken portion and then they scratch through it. So it's a really easy thing. Easy and pretty clean after that, considering this is a barn. Yeah, and Nala is also helping with cleaning up after the rabbits. So they always spill a little bit, and it seems like Nala likes it. So we have her as a helper here. They are excited already to have new stuff. I can scratch through it, and then yeah, you see all these tools here that I used to build everything inside here. They kind of take up a lot of space, and right now we looking forward to have this all cleaned up, and then we will actually have some designated spots here for the chicken feed and rabbit feed and stuff. Thank you guys for joining me on this shitty adventure today. It was really not fun to do, but it had to be done. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Take care and God bless.